Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Bootstrap series. Add elements within your Bootstrap wells. Now we are several deep elements deep on each column of our row. This is as deep as we will need to go. Now we can add our buttons element. Button elements nest three button elements within each of your div elements having the class name well. Okay, three elements of button, in this case button and button closed. Three buttons both in each case. Okay, let's run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.